What's up, everybody? Pomage Bog. Today we're in my wood shop, and I think I'm going to do something a little bit different today and go through a little bit of a tutorial on how to make a holy cross. More specifically, the Serbian style cross as seen in this photo here. So, without any further ado, hajde da počnemo. Let's go. So, what you want to get yourself to begin with is a piece of wood like this, of any particular length, depending on how big you want to make your cross. As far as the dimensions go, I'm South African, as you may or may not have picked up. So we use the metric system, and this is a 2 by 2 centimeter plank of wood here. So you want to begin making your appropriate measurements. So basically this is going to be the vertical portion. I'm going to cut it in half here, and this pre-cut 2 by 2 centimeter piece here is going to be the horizontal piece. So let's select our tools. So for this particular project, I'm just going to use my small nifty little adjustable hacksaw. No reason to use the big one, and no real reason to use any of the power tools unless you really want to save time. So if that is your MO, then why not? Now that you've got your pieces all cut, it's time to make the wood putty, which I've got my own personal recipe here where I use some of my premium brand sawdust, floor-bought, straight off of the ground. Liberally apply some decent quality wood glue. When I say liberally, I do not mean to accuse it of misgendering you. Then stir the sawdust and wood glue until it forms a nice gooey mulch, and then conservatively apply it to those cuts of wood that you measured and made earlier. And when I say conservatively, I don't mean to send money to Israel in the process. Then you want to take that little horizontal cut that you made and place it through the middle of the vertical cut and wait for the wood putty to dry. I would recommend holding it together with a vise of some kind, like this vise that I have here. When I say vise, I don't mean Gavin McInnes's former publication that he left in order to shill for Israel. I mean just a vise. And after the wood putty is set, then proceed to round off the previously squared edges. I personally use this little Black & Decker handheld power sander. But as you can see, and for the sake of your ears, I have already gone ahead and pre-rounded these edges. And then you want to cut 6 little cubes like this, all of equal size, that you can put on either end of the vertical and horizontal axis. I've gone ahead and pre-made them. So same process with the wood mulch and the vise, and wait for it to set, and then once it's done, resand it, polish it out, size up the edges, and you'll have a finished project kind of like this. And that is how you make a Serbian style Orthodox cross. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell button, and all of the other annoying things that people tell you to do these days. If you would like me to cover any other styles of crosses, like the famous Chad's cross or Orthodox three-pronged cross, let me know in the comments. And until next time, Boga pomagao. God bless. Duke of Johannesburg, out.